I'm Professor Anis Efidanis, CEO at N99 Technological Park in Skopje. So here today we choose to install the unique of its kind modular amphitheater from the B2 solution. We will try to stimulate both creativity and productivity, having a German insight of quality and aesthetics together with the state-of-the-art technology like artificial intelligence, robotics, virtual reality.